In this tutorial, I will show you how to use the search bar and sidebar in Asana. First, look at the sidebar on the left. Click Home to see your overall activity and updates. Click My Tasks to view all tasks assigned to you. Click Inbox to check notifications, comments, and mentions. Scroll down to see your projects and teams. Click any project to open and manage it. Now go to the search bar at the top. Click on it and type a keyword. You will instantly see tasks, projects, or people related to your search. Select any result to open it. For more control, click Advanced Search. Apply filters like assignee, due date, or project. You can also save searches for quick access later. That is how you use the search bar and sidebar in Asana.